In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on Squarespace. Whether you're starting out with your website or looking to expand your audience reach, collecting emails is a key step in building your community and keeping your customers informed. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website editor. You can do this by logging into your account and selecting the website you'd like to work on. Once there, you'll see an option to edit your website. You'll be spending most of your time here while setting up the email collection feature. Now, once you're in the website editor, the next thing you want to do is click on Add Block. This action will allow you to introduce new elements into your web page. Look for the section that gives you various block types you can add. Squarespace has a user-friendly interface, so navigating through these options should be fairly straightforward. After you've located the Add Block option, the next step involves selecting the Newsletter block. The Newsletter block is specifically designed for email collection, providing you with the necessary components to establish a direct line of communication with your audience. Clicking on this will add a newsletter form to your page, which you can then customize according to your needs. With the newsletter block now in place, the following step is to click on Edit. Here, you'll be able to make the necessary adjustments to the text and layout within the form. This customization can help tailor the message to your brand's voice, making it more inviting for your audience to sign up. Next, you'll see a Design option. Click on this to further personalize the look and feel of your newsletter form. You can change colors, fonts, and the overall style to match the aesthetics of your website, ensuring a cohesive look. This is the point where you can really let your brand's personality shine. After you've perfected the design, the next crucial step is clicking on Storage. In this section, you determine where the collected emails will be stored. You can choose from various options like linking directly to an email service provider or storing the emails directly in Squarespace. This allows you to keep track of your subscribers, giving you the power to manage your communication strategy efficiently. Once everything is set up just the way you like it, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save. This final step ensures that all your hard work is preserved and that the email collection form is live on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a strong email list. A good email strategy can provide great value to your audience and strengthen your marketing efforts. So go ahead, take these steps, and start connecting with your site visitors right away.